गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार लवासा। मेरा नाम है सरहान खान and a very warm welcome. Christ Institute of Management in collaboration with Lavasa City presents to you Colors of India, a kaleidoscope of Indian culture. Christ Institute of Management is into its third year, supported by Christ University, Bangalore. We offer PGDM courses in marketing, HR and finance. We are honored to have with us Dr. Father Abraham VM, Chairman, Christ Institute of Management, Lavasa, and Pro Vice Chancellor, Christ University, Bangalore. We also have Dr. Father Josie George, Director, CIM Lavasa, Father Arun, Academic Coordinator, CIM Lavasa, officials from Lavasa, friends from Ecole, Mercure, Crystal House, Lakeshore Water Sports, Ashiana, Fortune, Apollo, CIM faculties, students, and each and everyone present here. Once again, welcome to Colors of India, a kaleidoscope of Indian culture. Without wasting much time, let's start with the events. All the people who can hear me in Lavasa, Colors of India is going to start. And we are going to start with a dance performance, which is a tribute to all our soldiers and our motherland. So true is the proverb. The grass on the other side is always greener. This is a scenario seen in our day-to-day life. We have always tried seeing the beauty that lies beyond our reaches, but most of the time fail to cherish the beauty that exists in our near proximity. And therefore, to that motherland who has seen us evolve, who has embraced myriad cultures and traditions, who stands out for our heritage and uniqueness, with all due respect, we present to you Ma Tujhe Salam, a salute to our motherland, a salute to our soldiers. Before we start, Bharat Mata Ki! No. We need more energy. The dancers are waiting with a lot of energy. I want more energy from you guys. आप भी मेरे साथ थोड़ी एनर्जी दिखाइए. मेरी हिंदी बहुत खराब है, फिर भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. All right? So I want you guys to make a lot of noise. At the count of 3, 2, 1. Bharat Mata Ki! लोग जो पीछे खड़े हैं, आप भी कुछ बोल लो. आके बैठ जाओ. ठीक है, बोल रहा हूँ आपके लिए भी. And the people who are standing on the left, please sit down. All the people who are standing on my left, please sit down. One more time. Before we start this evening with a dance performance, भारत माता की. लंच नहीं किया क्या आपने? मैंने नहीं किया, वो पता है मेरे को, आपका पता नहीं. One more time. भारत माता की. सर आप नहीं बोल रहे हैं, देख रहा हूं मैं. आपको इधर बुलाऊंगा बोलने के लिए मैं फिर. ऑलराइट, वन मोर टाइम. सिर्फ जय बोलना है, इतना ही है, ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. ऑलराइट, भारत माता की. All right, let's start this evening with a dance performance. Put your hands together for the dancers of today from Christ University, Bangalore.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, अस्सी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई
What a brilliant way to start Colors of India this evening. My energy is back. Is your energy back as well?
अंग लगा दे रे मोहे रंग लगा दे रे अंग लगा दे रे मोहे रंग लगा दे रे मैं तो तेरी जोगनिया तू जोग लगा दे रे जोग लगा दे रे प्रेम का रोग लगा दे रे मैं तो तेरी जोगनिया तू जोग लगा दे रे राम रतन धन लगन मगन मन तन मोरा चंदन रे उजली कोरी प्रीत पे आसत रंग लगा दे रे अंग लगा दे रे मोहे रंग लगा दे रे मैं तो तेरी जोगनिया तू जोग लगा दे रे रात बंजर सी है काले खंजर सी है रात बंजर सी है काले खंजर सी है तेरे सीने की लो मेरे अंदर भी है तू हवा दे से तू मेरा तन जले जला दे रे संग जला दे रे मोहे अंग लगा दे रे मैं तो तेरी जोगनिया तू जोग लगा दे रे
अरे आंख से बूंद गिरा कोई चिंगारी का टुकड़ा जला कोई उम्मीद को आग लगा जरा सहरा की प्यास बुझा जरा उम्मीद को आग लगा जरा सहरा की प्यास बुझा जरा घन इतना बरस के गलने लगूं मैं पानी के ऊपर तरने लगूं बहने दे मुझे मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, ओ बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, बहने दे घनघोर घटा, बहने दे पानी की तरह, सागर में जा गिरना है, बहने दे नदिया की तरह। शर्त लगी है मर जाने की, जीना है तो प्यार में, देह कहीं भी हो मेरा, जान रखी है यार में, बह जा है सागर का कहना, बह जा है नदिया तो बहना, पत्ते से टपकती बूंद की आवाज सुनाई दी थी, नदिया में टपक कर गुम हो जा, बह गया जो रह गया रह गया, बह गया जो रह गया रह गया, बहने दे मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, ओ बहने दे मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, मुझे बहने दे, बहने दे घनघोर घटा, बहने दे पानी की तरह, सागर में जा गिरना है, बहने दे नदिया की तरह। ஓயல எந்த நாளும் ஓயல, என்ன படைச்சவன் கொடுக்கும் கை ஓயல, ஓயல எந்த நாளும் ஓயல, என்ன படைச்சவன் கொடுக்கும் கை ஓயல, ஓயல எங்க பல காயல, நீ சொக்கும்படி சிரிச்சடி சோனா பாரியா, சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, நீ தானவரியா, சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, தானவரியா, ஓயல எந்த நாளும் ஓயல, என்ன படைச்சவன் கொடுக்கும் கை ஓயல, ஓயல எங்க மல காயல, நீ சொக்கும்படி சிரிச்சடி சோனா பாரியா. சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, நீ தானவரியா, சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, சோனா பரியா, தானவரியா, ஓயல எந்த நாளும் ஓயல, என்ன படைச்சவன் கொடுக்கும் கை ஓயல, ஓயல எங்க பல காயல, நீ சொக்கும்படி சிரிச்சடி சோனா பாரியா.
What an energetic performance by all these dancers here. Can you have a bigger applause for all the dancers? Next up, we have a play. We have a theater act. Before that, Mr. Panikar, if you are here, we have found your wallet. Mr. Panikar, if you can hear me, we have found your wallet. It is with a gentleman on my right side. You can contact him and take your wallet. Mr. Prakash Panikar. Mr. Prakash Panikar. The gentleman is on the right. Can we have a bigger applause for the gentleman who came up with the wallet to give away? All right. The next play is based on Malgudi Days. कितने लोग देखे हैं इधर? How many people have seen Malgudi Days? Yes. All right. So Malgudi Days, Malgudi, the word is of a place. Malgudi is a place. All right. So anybody knows? If you tell me the right answer, I'm going to give you chocolates. Okay. चॉकलेट दूंगा अगर आपने ये सवाल का जवाब सही दिया तो। माशाल्लाह हिंदी अच्छी हो गई है मेरी भी। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू। ऑलराइट, तो Malgudi is a place. So Malgudi is actually two places. First and a second place, which is put into one place. If any one of you knows the answer, you have to come here and tell me the place name. Anyone? Malgudi days. You can Google if you want and come and tell me. All right. Malgudi. The word Malgudi is of two place. It's of two words. Yes, please come here, ma'am. You can tell me the answer. You're from Bangalore, obviously you know. Yes. Yes, you can tell me. Malleshwaram Basavanagudi. These are the places in Bangalore, and it is put into one called Malgudi Days, and it is right. It's wrong? So this is what I read on Facebook from many times. No, 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 no. But the name. Yeah. So, ma'am, congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can we have a big round of applause for Soumya, ma'am? Thank you. Next up, the play. They say that innocence of child is the purest form of emotion on the earth. And when the child starts to become a man, we start to wonder where the child disappears. But we don't realize the fact that it is us who makes the child slowly disappear. Our children start becoming like adults earlier in their lives because we are trying so hard to make them like us instead of becoming like them. Here is a little story about childhood. A boy named Swami who lived in the little town of Malgudi, presented by the theatre team of Christ University.
Sorry, forgive me. It takes a long time to come all the way from Bangalore to Lavasa. Huh? In the traffic these days. I was stuck in 1 hour for Pune traffic only. Huh? Not like the old days. When I first came to Bangalore, when I first went to Bangalore, the roads were so smooth there, you could eat butter right off them. Gandhiji, our father of the nation, Gandhiji used to love roaming around in Bangalore. Thank God now he's only in the currency notes. Not even able to withdraw him today. And Bangalore used to be covered in trees. It was like a green forest. Lonavala for you guys, huh? And the people of Bangalore used to be a lot warmer and the weather was a lot cooler. All that is reversed now. But pleasant memories. Nowadays I keep forgetting a lot of things. But I still see my childhood very, very clearly in my mind. Go Swami! 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 Swami!
Sit down. Students, we shall revise our knowledge about geography for the upcoming tests. Now, who can tell me something about Europe? You. No. You sit down. Samuel, what about you?
Sir, Europe is a continent, sir.
Go on.
It is a continent on the earth, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the earth is a part of universe, sir. Sir, Europe is a continent in the universe, sir.
Quite. What? You hair-brained idiot? Stand up, Adameshwar, stand up. Continent, huh? Now, who can tell me something about Europe? Shankar,
Sir, Europe is the second smallest continent in the world. It covers 2% of the Earth's surface area. It's the third most populous continent after Asia and Africa. Ancient Greece in Europe is considered to be the birthplace of Western thought and culture. Europe is the continent that has contributed most to the knowledge of maths and science.
Excellent, Shankar. You are a brilliant student, boys. You can learn from him. Anyways, let us continue. Swaminathan. Swaminathan,
Yes, sir.
tell me, what is Lisbon famous for?
Lisbon.
Yes, Lisbon.
Lisbon.
Can't you hear me or what? Tell me.
Oh, sir. Lisbon is famous for being the capital of Portugal.
Hey, quite. Capital of Portugal, capital of Portugal. Why don't you remember what I teach in class? Why?
Sir, where do you teach, sir? Always asking questions only.
Huh? Questioning teachers back, questioning me back. I'll slap you now.
Amma! Money, do you know what I heard? Singaram the peon, he discovered you broke the window patches out of his canes.
Let him cane me. Once outside the school, this club of mine will take care of him. If you find his body somewhere, you know who is responsible.
Money, really? There is nobody like you. Aren't you scared of anyone? Oh, look who's here. Rajam. Hi, Rajam. How are you? Looking so smart today. I wanted to tell you. Nothing.
Oh, the big man has come and the secretary has gone off to attend to his master.
No, Money. I was just trying to borrow his note.
Oh, really? Now we're not good enough, huh?
Maybe we don't come in huge cars or wear fancy shoes, but we can make them lick our dusts. No. Have you seen his father? He's a police superintendent. Such a fine house he lives in. And I've heard that he has a house full of servants and toys.
Oh, Rajam samcha hai kya? If we are not good enough for you, then get lost, you traitor.
No. You can break his bones any day. I was just trying to...
Good morning, students. I have a couple of announcements to make in today's assembly. First, your midterm examinations are going to start in 2 weeks. Better prepare for them. If you want to move into the next semester with your friends, well, I have received some complaints about some troublemakers, especially from class 6A. Watch out, boys. Study for your exams and score well. Stop fooling around. Never mind. The second announcement. This year, we sent all your English essays for the district level English essay competition. And we have a winner.
Who else but our Brahaspati? Hey, Shankar, can I please cut your head and borrow some of your brains? No, me first. Can I have a share too?
And the winner is... Oh, what a surprise! Is the newest entrant of our school, Rajam of 6A. Well done. Congratulations. Boys, you may disperse now. Thank you. And take care of the discipline part.
Look at the rascal arrogance. We must deal with him now.
Yes, we must pull him down the peg.
Leave it to me. My club has not seen an action in a long time. I'll take care of that rascal. Leave it to me. Are you a man?
Are you a man?
Which dog doubts it?
Which dirty dog doubts it?
Do you have the courage to prove you're a man?
Do you have the courage to prove that you're a man?
How?
How?
Fight me and see how I break your head.
Fight me and see how I break your head.
What are we waiting for? Is this how you fight? Keep your club down, or else I will shoot you.
But you're supposed to be a hand-to-hand fight.
Then why did you bring your club? What have I done to offend you?
You called me a thief before someone.
That is a lie. If that is the reason for your anger, then forget it. I don't mind being friends.
Neither do I.
Wow. Great. I mean, I wanted to. Rajam, money.
What is a tail?
A tail is a long thing that attaches itself to the back of a dog or a donkey.
Is there a tail here?
Oh yes, there is one in that corner.
Oh, yes. It's a wonder of nature. Raja must be the first human to have another human as a tail. Swami is Rajam's tail. Swami is Rajam's tail. Swami is Rajam's tail. Swami is
Swami! 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 Swami!
All Board High School students must stay back every evening for the drill class for 45 minutes. It is a compulsory class and your absence will not be tolerated.
I don't care for your dirty school. I don't want to be in your dirty school.
Swami!
And ladies and gentlemen, there's a match going on between Malgudi Cricket Club and Young Men's Union, and last 3 wickets are left, and what a surprise! The star batsman Money is out.
Hey, Shankar, have you seen that ball? It was not a wicket.
Well played,
There was
Money.
clearly an edge, man. That umpire.
Money, I know it was the umpire's fault. We'll take care of him later, Money.
Guys, we still have Somu.
Shh, guys. The next ball is about to start.
Oh,
I told you not to send that someone. Now look, he got out.
where is this Swami? It's all because of that Swami.
Stop now. We still have some hope. It's a six!
Oh, it's out!
Rajam.
Rajam,
Rajam.
Rajam. I found him in the forest. He was unconscious.
Thank you, Ranga. Swami, how are you feeling now, Swami? You must thank the cartman Ranga. He saved your life. If he wouldn't have been there, I don't know what would have happened. I told you, didn't I tell you not to go out and play? Always, you guys, always mischiefs. Appa, I don't want to study in that school, Appa. I want to play. Oh, and I have a match. And I'm MCC's champion bowler. First you sit. I don't understand what you guys are talking about. That Money is also talking about the match. And even here, you also talking about some match. Money? Where is Money? You sit, I'll send him in. Money! Hi!
What a fool you are, Swami. To get frightened of that principal and just run off like that. I thought you were dead.
I am a fool, Money. I lost my way home. And that cartman Ranga saved my life. But don't worry, I'm in time for the match. We are going to thrash those fools, aren't we?
The match? You think you are in time for the match? It was yesterday, you fool. And they beat us black and blue.
What? Yesterday? No, that can't be. And Rajam? What did Rajam say?
He says you ruined the MCC. He never wants to see you again.
No. We'll go to him and tell him everything. It will all be fine. Won't it?
No, you can't. Rajam is moving to Trichy tomorrow. Forever. He's leaving by the early morning train. Him and I should be there, Swami. I have to go. Bye.
No, Money!
चाय बिस्किट चाय मसाला चाय अड़ी कॉफी ठंडा पानी बोतल कोल्ड ड्रिंक चाय सब चाय
Rajam? He was going to talk to me. Wasn't he, Money? Money!
He said he'll write to you. Rajam told me that.
But he doesn't know my address.
I gave it to him, Swami.
You don't know it either.
Rajam will write to you. He'll write.
It is funny. We never forget some things in life, no matter how old we grow. So remember every moment in your children's lives. And children, remember every moment in your lives. Because when you are as old as me, only memories remain. Only memories.
What a flawless performance. Can we have a bigger applause for all the people who were there on the stage? To come on stage and stand itself is a big thing. They're remembering so many lines and doing a fantastic job. Hats off to them. All right. Next up, we have a dance performance. Can I see people's hand up? जिसने raffle ticket खरीदा है? Raffle ticket कितने लोगों ने खरीदा है? बस इतने? What about the people on my right, behind? आपने raffle ticket खरीदा है? आपने on the left? दो तीन नहीं खरीदा है. All right. If you haven't bought the raffle ticket, it's available in the counter. And if you are lucky tonight, you can walk away with lovely prizes. Trust me, you will be the happiest tonight. All right? क्या हुआ? Energy कम दिख रही है? नहीं, सही है? Next is a dance performance. So before that, can you guys make some noise? सबको चॉकलेट देना पड़ेगा, एनर्जी चाहिए सबको. और एक बार, कैन यू गाइज मेक सम नॉइज? अरे आपको भी बात कर रहा हूं मैं. एज डजंट मैटर, यू कैन शाउट. कैन यू गाइज मेक सम नॉइज? अरे यार क्या हो रहा है? फिर से एक बार. चॉकलेट नहीं मिली मैम आपको? आपके लिए मैं चॉकलेट लाया हूं. थैंक यू मैम. सर आपके लिए भी चाहिए क्या? सर आपकी एनर्जी माशाल्लाह मस्त दिख रही है. मैम प्लीज शेयर द चॉकलेट विद देम. या ऑलराइट. कैन यू गाइज मेक सम नॉइज? यस. कैन यू गाइज मेक सम नॉइज? आपको भी चॉकलेट चाहिए क्या? किसको चाहिए? अरे आपको दे देता हूं बिकॉज यू आर सिटिंग वेरी नियर बाय. ऑलराइट. सर पक्का दूंगा आपको. कैन यू गाइज मेक सम नॉइज? चॉकलेट चाहिए? तुम इधर आओ, जल्दी आओ. कैन यू गाइज मेक सम नॉइज? ऊपर से नीचे आ गया, अब तो कुछ तो बोल दो. कैन यू गाइज मेक सम नॉइज? क्या चाहिए? चॉकलेट. चिल्लाओ. सबको सुनाई दिया? सबको सुनाई दिया? एंड में नहीं दिया? फिर से फिर से फिर से सुनाई दिया? सर झूठ मत बोलो, मैं इधर इधर बैठ के सुनाई नहीं दिया. आपको सुनाई दिया? पीपल हु आर स्टैंडिंग? नहीं? अरे हाँ बोल दो. हाँ बोल दो भाई, चॉकलेट मिल जाएगा. वन मोर टाइम, एक लास्ट बार. ऑलराइट. माइक दूं क्या? ठीक है, लेकिन माइक तोड़ना मत आवाज से. ओके. अभी नहीं पूछूंगा, ले लो. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. कैन यू हैव अ बिगर अप्लॉज फॉर द जेंटलमैन? थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ डांस परफॉर्मेंस. The epitome of elegance and beauty. They shine and twinkle with the colors of stars in the night sky. Their youth is like a bolt of lightning that even the gods are dazzled by. When still they mimic beautiful sculptures, and when they move with all the poise, they cast their magical spell on people around. Presenting to you, Apsara.
कोमल काया की मोह
आली अप्सरा नवधून आली अप्सरा अशी सुंदर साज सजबून केस महदी माळला गजरा लोहकाच्या नजरा खेळल्या तिच्यावर दुनियाची प्यारी तू अगराणी हरणी ग अगराणी सुंदरा
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहा थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी
What a marvelous performance. I'm sure you guys enjoyed it. Did you guys enjoy? Then please give a big applause for all the dancers there. Next up, we have Western music. Before that, if you haven't bought the raffle tickets, the counter is going to close and we are going to choose the lucky winner in some time. And the lucky winner will be the happiest tonight, trust me. All right? So, how many people can laugh, हंस सकते हैं, without a joke? How many people can laugh without a joke? Without a joke, you have to laugh continuously. The gentleman there, ma'am, please come. Sir, you, please come with specs. Behind you, sir, behind you. Yeah, please come. Anyone from here? बिना जोक के हंसना पड़ेगा. आइए, आइए, मैम, आइए. The man in the pink t-shirt में. आप भी आइए. Anyone here? बिना जोक के हंसना पड़ेगा. आपको होगा? आइए. Okay. आइए, आइए. Anyone? Yes, please. Anyone there? Oh, you can laugh without a joke? I'm amazed. Please come. आपको chocolate मिला ना? Please come, please come. Anyone else? Please come, sir. All right? Without a joke. Before they start laughing, I want everybody to keep quiet, okay? Oh, you too? Yeah, please come. Yeah? So, I want everyone to keep quiet. थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में खामोशी थोड़ी खामोशी चाहिए इधर yes yes sir everyone quiet because if you guys laugh they will laugh so I want you guys to keep quiet a little all right oh even you will laugh आप भी हंसेंगे ठीक है great whom should I start with the gentleman who raised his hand first all right sir जोर का हंसना पड़ेगा लोग पत्थर की तरह मारे मेरे को पता नहीं है all right it goes to everyone लोग आपको कुछ फेंक के मारे आप कुछ मत फेंको ऑलराइट वी विल स्टार्ट विद यू हंसना पड़ेगा बस इतना यस मैम थैंक यू सर आप एक मिनट आप अभी हंस रहे हैं आपको सीरियस होने दो फिर आ जाओ यस व्हाई सो सीरियस ओके यू कैन लाफ All right. I'll come to you. Oh, you want to laugh? Okay. I think your laughter is very nice. Sir, up. Okay, up. आप भी करेंगे? Sir, up. अब आप Thank you, no problem. Who is left? Ma'am, you. Ma'am, can you stop laughing? Very good, huh? I'll come to you in the answer. You, ma'am. Okay, you, sir. All right. All right. Who do you think was the best? Okay, let me. This kid? नहीं, ऐसे नहीं करने का. This person here in the white shirt? No. Here, the gentleman in pink t-shirt? Yes, okay, I will consider the votes. This gentleman here who started? No, okay. This gentleman here? Okay. Thank you. And this beautiful lady here? Yes or no? Thoda mila hai, yes. And this lady here? Yes, a big yes. And this beautiful girl here? सबको ऐसे ही बोल रहे हो कितने चॉकलेट लो मैं एंड दिस जेंटलमैन हियर एंड दिस लेडी हियर एंड दिस लेडी हियर ओके rest of you thank you so much you wait and who was with the one more person ma'am please wait okay. One more last time, you guys have to laugh together, all right? You guys have to laugh together and make everyone laugh in Lavasa, all right? At the count of 3, 2... नहीं, अभी start नहीं हुआ है, रुको. Okay? At the count of 3, and everybody here should laugh tonight, all right? At the count of 3, 2, 1, start laughing! Ha ha ha! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ma'am, thanks. Q and thank you. Oh my God, I have one more. I think I'll keep this. Even I laughed.
Just give it to me, my little baby.
To your little baby? Ma'am, you have it in your hand.
She's there.
All right. This is for you. Please don't give it to mama and daddy. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Now it's time for Western music. Everyone has their own taste in music, but when similar minds come together, you get a wonderful blend of different souls. Each song they sing, they put their soul into it. The music ranges from rock to pop, and at times they even do a couple of theme songs. I'm sure you will enjoy these pieces they're going to perform for you. Put your hands together for the Western acoustic team.
I said good evening, Lavasa. Can I have some noise, please? Yeah. Okay, so we're a Western a cappella team. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what a cappella is, we're basically people, as you can see, there are no instruments over here. None of us have instruments in our hands because we are the instruments. For example, our friend Dheeraj over here is a drum. Okay, Dheeraj, stop. Dheeraj, stop. Okay, cool. Yeah. So we're going to be performing 2 songs for you tonight. Okay. So the first song is it's called "Give Me Love" by Ed Sheeran. How many Ed Sheeran fans? Can I have some noise, please, for Ed Sheeran fans? Yeah. Okay. So "Give Me Love" is basically about how some of us like really need love in our lives. Right? We're all social animals, and we really like this song, and we hope you like it too. So this is our first song. It's called "Give Me Love."
my, give me love. 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 My, give me love.
Okay, so that was our first song. Do you guys like it? Can we have some noise? Yeah. So, our second song over here, it's called Don't Stop Me Now. It's by Queen. It's a British band. So, it's dedicated to our friend Pranay over here. Pranay, raise your hand. Yeah. He's a bassist. He has a really low voice. Okay. So, like, if you ever talk to him, you'll be like, oh. So, anyway, the point being, our friend Pranay over here, okay, he has a habit of eating really, really fast and he eats a lot. So one time he told Pranay, dude, you gotta slow down, man. Like you're eating too fast. So he's like, dude, don't stop me now. Okay, fine. Apart from the bad joke, we'll start the second piece.
He looks like he eats a lot also, no?
Don't stop me now. Don't stop me. 'Cause I'm having a good time. Having a good time. Stop, stop, in the sky. Passing by, letting the tide go. I'm gonna go. That's what's stopping me. I'm going through the sky. Public places trying to call me supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. Having such a good time, having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me. Yes, I'm having a good time. Don't stop me. Yes, I'm having a good time. Don't wanna stop at all. I'm a rocket ship. Supersonic man out of you. Come on, Lawasa, make some noise. Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Have a good time, good time. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Supersonic, 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 supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. Having such a good time. Thanks to you all. Don't stop me now. Wanna have a good time. Just give me a call. Don't stop. Yes, I'm having a good time. Don't stop, 'cause I'm having a good time. Don't wanna stop at
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are going to pick the lucky winner of the raffle tickets in some time. If you have bought the tickets, Get ready. You will be winning for sure.
Lavasa, can I hear some noise? Guys, firstly, give up for the a cappella team. What we guys do on stage with so many instruments, they did it only with voices. A big hand for them, guys, please. So we are the Western group. We have come all the way from Bangalore. And Samuel, you know, right, Bangalore crowd, they scream a lot. So do you think Lavasa can give them a tough competition? Can you, Lavasa? Can you scream louder than Bangalore? Not yet there. I guess a bit louder will be fine. Can you beat Bangalore, Lavasa? That's more like it. I hope that stays throughout our performance. Am I right or wrong, Lavasa?
Before we start, guys, we have a formal request from our team. We would kindly request you to make some noise. I said, we would like you to make some noise!
Now I know that I can make you stay, but where's your heart? But where's your heart? But where's your... And I know there's nothing I can say to change that part, to change that part, to change. So many bright lights that cast a shadow, but can I speak? Well, is it hard understanding? I'm incomplete. A life that's so demanding.
song's called Holiday by Green Day. Let me hear you make some noise. Put your hands up for us, come on! The representative of Bangalore has the floor!
They call to the president, yes man. Bumped away is your punishment. Polarize the Eiffel Towers who criticize your government. Bang bang goes the broken glass and tell all the dudes that don't agree. Trials by fire, setting fire. It's not a way that's meant for me. Just cause, just cause, because we're outlaws, yeah. From the hollow light. This is the dawning of the rest of our life. I beg to dream and differ from the hollow light. This is the dawning of the rest of our life. This is the light on holiday. Thank you, love you guys, very good. Thank you.
Thank you!
What a stunning performance this by all these people out here. Can you make some noise for all these people here? Yes, sir. They were amazing. It's time to pick the winner for today. Before that, I want to call upon you. I forgot your name. Come up fast. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. What's your name? Tisha. All right. I have Tisha with me. Can you guys give a bigger applause for Tisha? She's going to be a lucky mascot today, all right? She's going to pick a lucky winner. How many people have bought the raffle tickets? कितनों ने लिए? सबने लिया? बहुत कम लोग दिख रहे हैं आज. हाँ, आप सबने लिया है ना, ठीक है. Okay, can we have the raffle tickets? 2 people today will walk away with the prizes, which are sponsored by Fortune and Water Sports on my right side and Fortune on my left. You have to pick one first, then one more, all right? Let's shake a little. All right? Pick one. All right, she has picked it. All right. I hope this person is here. And remember, if you are the lucky one, please come up with the ticket. Before I call upon the winner, I would request our academic head from CIM Lavasa, Mr. Binu P. Paul, to kindly come on the stage. And the lucky winner, walking away with the second prize, is... I wish it was mine. Yes, thank you. Thank you for telling my name. My name is Sarhan Khan, all right? Thank you. The name is... So, you would like to say?
Argya.
Argya. Is Argya here? Number 721. Else I'll be keeping the prize. Argya? Should we pick another one or should we call this person? Another one? Let me check on that. All right, since they have given the phone number, I'll read the phone number out. If you are here, if you can't believe on your luck, it's 8793140865. All right? If you're not here, we're going to call you and we'll give you the prize. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mickey, you can have this. And let's pick, Mickey, this as well. And let's pick the lucky winner. Tisha, before you pick, you got to smile. Smile there. Smile in the camera there. Tisha, what happened to your teeth? All right. Pick one, Tisha. अंदर से उठाओ, अंदर से. ठीक है. All right, we have the winner who will be walking away with the first prize. Before that, I would like to call upon Prabin sir to kindly come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are seeing these lovely dancers here, he's the reason. He's the reason for all these performances tonight. And the lucky winner is Aditya. I don't know how many Adityas are here. I know one. The lot number is 212. Oh my God. They can't believe their luck, I guess. Sir, we'll call them as well. Thank you for being on stage, sir. Thank you so much. Can you have a bigger applause for Prabin, sir? Thank you, Mickey, for helping me out. And Tisha, can you smile there? Yeah. And this is for you, one, and this is for me, one. I'm joking. This is for you as well. Can you have a bigger applause for Tisha? And Colors of India comes to an end. So I request for the last performance, all the people on my left to be seated. Trust me, this will be the best performance you have ever seen. And the people on my right, aap bhi baith jaiye. Everyone. And all the volunteers, I request all of you to sit down. Everyone out here, sit down because it is the last and the best performance of the day. You wouldn't want to miss this. All right? Before we go to the last performance, I would like to thank each and everyone here for being present. I would like to thank our friends from Mercure, Ecole, Crystal House, Lakeshore Water Sports, Ashiana, Fortune, Apollo, all the students, volunteers who made this event a success, lights, sound people, a big thank you from Christ Institute of Management and Lavasa. You guys made this event a big success. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Colors of India, presented by Christ Institute of Management in association with Lavasa City. Christ Institute of Management offers courses in PGDM, in marketing, HR and finance. It's their third year and they are being supported by Christ University, Bangalore. The vision and mission of the college is excellence and service. Before we go to the last performance, I would like to ask each and everyone here to make some noise for the last time. And I request you to make a lot of noise. Before that, I would like to call upon Dr. Father Abraham VM, Chairman, Christ Institute of Management and Pro Vice Chancellor of Bangalore Christ University. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Father Abraham VM. Father, we have seen a lot of performances in Bangalore. How was it in Lavasa these 2 days?
It was wonderful, and today the energy level is very high. I think the Christ University students love Lavasa very much. That's why the energy level is very high today. Thank you, Lavasa. You are a wonderful audience. Thank you very much for your encouraging presence. I thank Christ University, Bangalore, Christ Institute of Management, Lavasa, and faculty members, everybody present here, my big gratitude. I want to express my sincere gratitude for Dr. Joshi, the director of Christ Institute of Management, Father Arun, the faculty members, and the students. You were organizing this program, also you were performing the last dance. They were prepared by 3 days. The HOD of Christ University Performing Arts, the Praveen was preparing them, and the future managers of India were dancing wonderfully well. My hearty congratulations to each and every one of you. And the Christ University team, they are good performers, and also they are good in very excellent in academics. We usually monitor them, their performance. The faculty members are there, and Mr. Faskar and other faculty members, my hearty congratulations. And these are only representatives, please remember. 72 of them are here. In the month of March, 300 more dancers will come together and they will perform for 2 hours in Bangalore Auditorium. And we have a wonderful choir with 150 members. All are doing excellently well. Last week I was taking mathematics class and one of the students came and asked me, Father, I want exception, I want for practice. I prevented because I am doing a new topic today. She told I got 85% marks in the examination and I checked her GPA, it is 3.8. The students are academically excellent. So keep it up and give more life to university and Lavasa. Finally, my big thanks to Sarhan. He was comparing today. Thank you for your imagination and creativity today. He is a final year MBA student in Christ Institute of Lavasa. Best wishes, keep it up, this energy, and thank you very much in the name of everybody gathered here. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you so much. I would like to thank Dr. Father Joshi George for giving me an opportunity to host the event, and Maria Monica ma'am for giving me a chance to host this wonderful event, which I'll never forget in my life. And this is one of the best events I've ever hosted. Yes, before we go to the last performance, Exuberance 2017. To know more, go to your Facebook page and search for Exuberance 2017. You will have more information there. I won't reveal what is that. All right? It's happening in Jan, and if you are ready to sponsor for the event, we are okay with it, all right? And we have Ethnic Day by Christ Institute of Management, Lavasa, again on 19th. So people who have come to Lavasa, you can enjoy on 19th as well. You can come back. We'll have Ethnic Day, and we have carol singing competition as well in December 10th. The venue and other details you can check on cimlavasa.in. All right? And somebody has lost their key. You can collect it from me before we go to the last performance and end this beautiful night. Can you see my hand? Yes? You guys want to shout? Yes or no? Yes or no? You boys are studying. You guys should say yes or no. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let's start then. At the count of 3, 2, 1, make some noise! No, the performance which comes after this is very good, so you got to make more noise, all right? At the count of 3, I'm sorry, I'm asking you a lot. At the count of 3, 2, 1, make some noise! Johnson, sir, I'm watching you. And your family too. You guys are not making noise. Yeah? One last time, all right? Guys, are the students of Christ here? Yes? Nobody knows. So only the students of Christ make some noise. All right, now for the last time this evening, in Colors of India, at the count of 3, 2, 1, make some noise. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The next performance, when talent meets passion, emotions come alive. In this magical country of myriad cultures, we celebrate the universal emotion of love. A final performance embraces love, life, and all that is beauty in the land of diversity. So put your hands together for the dance team of Christ University.
जिया चले जा चले जिया चले जा चले नैनु तले धुआं चले
പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കുഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ തങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ ഹോയ് പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കുഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ തങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ
जिया चले जा चले नैनु तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सके रे जिया चले जा चले नैनु तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सके रे जिया जले जले
What a beautiful dance to end the program tonight. Colors of India. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being such an amazing crowd tonight. धन्यवाद. मैं तुमचा आभारी आहे. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. My name is Sarhan Khan, signing out. Thank you so much. Colors of India, presented to you by Christ Institute of Management and Lavasa City. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Shabba khair. अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना. Thank you so much.